Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Dreams by Fleetwood Mac on drums. Let's begin by establishing the fundamental groove. We'll start with a consistent kick drum on all 4 beats, then layer in the snare drum on the 2nd and 4th beats to create that classic backbeat feel. Finally, we'll add the hi-hat, playing steady 8th notes to drive the rhythm forward. This foundational pattern is crucial for capturing the song's iconic feel. Now let's refine the main groove for Dreams. The kick drum pattern is key, hitting on beat 1, the and of beat 2 and beat 3. The snare drum provides a solid backbeat on beats 2 and 4. Keep your hi-hat closed, playing consistent 8th notes throughout. This combination creates the signature, laid-back yet driving rhythm that defines the song. Focus on a relaxed feel, letting the groove flow naturally. To bring more life to your drumming, let's explore fills and dynamics. A simple tom fill, perhaps a single stroke roll across the toms, can be placed at the end of every 4 or 8 bars. Experiment with opening your hi-hat slightly during the chorus sections to add a subtle lift. Also, practice incorporating ghost notes on the snare drum between the main backbeats. These quiet strokes add a wonderful texture and depth to the overall sound. Consistent practice is essential for mastering Dreams. Start by practicing each individual section at a slow tempo with a metronome, gradually increasing your speed. Pay close attention to the original recording to internalize the subtle nuances and overall feel. Understanding the song's verse-chorus structure will help you anticipate changes and seamlessly transition between different parts. With dedication, you'll be playing this classic tune with confidence and precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.